leave Uzbekistan with its glorious architectural heritage and enter the country of high mountains and amazing roads, Tajikistan.
Мы сегодня прошли границу узбекско-таджикскую, в общем-то, довольно-таки хорошо, быстро прошли. Как всегда, таджики, в общем-то, с улыбками встретили нас, быстро все организовали, в общем, проблем не было на границе, очень хорошо прошли. Сейчас пообедали, сейчас едем в Фанские горы. В общем-то, начинается Таджикистан со своими горами прекрасными. Сейчас все увидим.
We ride along the road towards the capital of Tajikistan, Dushanbe. This mountain road connects northern regions of the country with Dushanbe. It is perhaps one of the most picturesque roads of Central Asia, passing through mountain saddles and tunnels at an altitude of 3,000 meters above the sea level. The quality of road has been significantly improved for the past years. Several new tunnels made this difficult mountain path significantly shorter, and now it is much safer than it used to be when we were driving through those steep passes.
Today's riding's been really nice. Heaps of corners, beautiful mountains, and the pockets of green by the rivers. It's really nice. People are real friendly here as well. The kids love us.
We got a little loose in the turns, and then I realized something must be wrong with my front end. So it turned out to be a flat tire. Hopefully it's an easy fix.
Это эндуропалка, спасительница наша. Она помогает нам заменять бортовать переднее и заднее колесо мотоциклетное.
Our destination is the International Mountaineering Camp, Vertical Eloding, located in the Fann Mountains. The Fann Mountains are a small mountain system in the northwest of Tajikistan. This place is popular among climbers since there are many hiking routes of varying difficulty. The climate is much softer in comparison with harsh Pamir. More than 10 years ago, we were the first ones to climb up to this camp on motorcycles. Since then, this amazing place has been included in the program of Central Asian Ring Tour. In order to get there, the group drives off the federal road and starts climbing along a narrow mountain road, going deeper and higher up to the gorge. There are several small kishlaks on the way where people live quite isolated, and it seems like they never leave their village to go down to the road. Local children are especially happy to welcome visiting tourists. For them, motorcyclists are like funny aliens. At the very first sight of bikers, children run toward the road, shouting happily and spreading their hands, hoping to touch motorcyclists. And once they've touched them, kids' eyes are full of happiness and joy. Old men bow in greetings.
Салам алейкум! Не проедет, давай! Не проедет!
The road to the camp requires special attention and caution from riders. In addition to shallow rivers and bridges, there are many steep, winding climbs where high cliffs go alongside narrow roads. For experienced riders, it was a pleasure overcoming these obstacles. On the other hand, for less experienced ones, it was an opportunity to improve their off-road riding skills. This is the first off-road obstacle on the route. We were all a bit worried, because in this area we had a number of falls and injuries. However, all the participants successfully reached the camp. As we reach the camp and observe an amazing view of the Fann mountains, it is now quite obvious to us that this tricky road was worth climbing it. The camp is surrounded by giant rocky mountains and bright, distant summer fields. That is why it is important to make a camp right on this spot.
Oh, that was fun. It was a lot of fun. Finally some off-road and a little less highway.
Last part was okay, but between it was very strong and stony. And I changed from the second to the first gear and it stopped in the empty position. And so the bike goes back. I choke the front brake, but it doesn't help, it goes back.
Okay.
And so I laid the bike down. Picked it up by my own. Okay, yeah. But Antonia helped me to start. Okay.